Good morning everyone. My name is Avdut Pankaj Gaute. I am studying first class. I am going to tell day and date. Today is Wednesday. Date is 22 July 2026. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Advik Vijay. I am studying first class. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day. The thought of the day is and the tricolor is our identity and the unity is our strength. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Devansh Kamal. I am going to tell the affirmation today. The affirmation is based on kindness. Please repeat with me. I am kind to others. To myself. My words. Actions. Matter. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Muse Banju Jawar. I am studying in second B class. I am going to tell word of the day. Today's word is aspire. Its meaning is to strongly desire to achieve something. Sentence: many students aspire to become successful scientists and leaders. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rihan Shukzoguri. I am studying in second day. Good morning everyone. My name is Anami Jasmula from grade 2.
Good morning everyone. My name is Urmila Rajpura. I am second B. Good morning everyone. My name is Sharwari Rohizada from class second B. Good morning everyone. My name is Asmi Sagar Chogli from class 2. Good morning everyone. My name is Adesh Sagar Pujari from grade 2.
I am going to tell importance of the day. Today is the National Flag Adoption Day. Today we are observing National Flag Adoption Day at Shradha School. This day observed annually on 22nd July. India's national flag is Tiranga, adopted by the Constituent Assembly in 22 July 1947. The Indian flag is the symbol of our freedom, national pride and
The day honored the historical journey of the flag. The original flag was presented by the basically designed by Indian freedom fighter Pingali Venkaya. The contemporary version was presented by Jawaharlal Nehru. The tricolor represents the nation, freedom and values, saffron, courage and sacrifice, white, truth, peace and purity, green, fertility and prosperity. The navy blue Ashoka chakra in the center feature 24 spokes. Learning for us. Our different cultures, languages and beliefs are united as one nation. We must be loyal towards the nation. We should respect for the country's heritage, constitution and democratic values. We must pride of our nation while respecting other nations. Access to the community from Shradha School is honor the flag and uphold the nation, and concluding thought is salute the flag and serve the nation.